Hello everybody, it's Ashton here and today we are doing a fine tier list. So I basically have these and I went from. Alright, let's do it. Okay. So a type of bond. Bonds are alright. I'll put it at probably a B. Alien. They're overrated, but personally, I like a hybrid, so I put it in the middle. For ape, they are underrated, so like apes are cool, so I put it at A. I'm actually not sure what it is, surprisingly, so I'm put it at F. Or I would back S, automatic S. Bear are cool, I put it at A. B are pretty cool, scalable, so I put it at B. B will be. B things are cool, so I put it at B. This, probably a B too. B. S, my favorite animal. Where is our fursona? Haven't heard it. I put it at C. Cool. A. Probably a B. But your other band. I love coyotes, so A. Crocodile. I'm scared of them. So I put that at C. They are cool. Not my personal favorite, but they're cool, so B. Not as overrated as dragon, and I used to like dinosaurs, so I put it at A. Dog. I'm kidding. It S. Anyway, like I said, evening are overrated, but they're cool. I put it at B. Fortnite, probably one of the most overrated species of the whole entire fandom, but I put it at A, cause they're cute. Fire Dragon. I actually like the bang the original dragon, so I put it at A. We banned the place, so I put it at A. Horses. Underrated. So I put, but, A or B? I put at B. Hyena. They're cool. But we have goofy little laugh. So I put at A. We think are also underrated, so A. They're cute. Not sure what we think now. It look like a dragon. I put at F with this one. Ooh. Wee man. I apologize, yeah, when we played. Anyway, well, yeah, Wee man. I haven't heard of people use these, but they're pretty cool. I'll put that B. Weapons. Big cats in general are cool, so most of them probably gotta go in A. Lions, also A. We want kinda overrated though, cute though. Whereas, personally, probably a C. I'm not that much of a fan. Winged. Personally, an S. Main wolf. Probably A. Mice. Oh wait, Reggie, is that you?
Hi.
Alright, anyway, they're pretty underrated. A. I'll see him a lot. We need more. Monkey. They're pretty cool. A. But I don't see him a lot at families. But I see why, cause they're pretty close to human. So, but I can go get an A. Moth. I mean, whoop. Anyway, I put at B, probably. Ooh, favorite. Wait, I can get technically a favorite, yeah. I put at A. On. Wait, they're pretty cool. And then way too. Probably I put at S. Owl. Probably one of your bang in my opinion. They're pretty cool. So A. Ooh, parrot. I also love parrot. Maybe my fan favorite. Possum. They get an S. They're good. Program. Y'all gonna hate me for this one, but personally, they're not my thing. I'm kidding. They did not be. Yeah, if I meant it, I would get my ass beaten. Anyway, rabbit. Oh, maybe an A. I would put it between A and B, but I put an A. Raccoon. I put at S. You know, my fursona used to be a raccoon, so obviously I'm gonna put at S. Dog and bango. I'm kidding. Red parrot. Okay, you are also cool. Bigly red raccoon. Sungold. I don't see that much of hype, but I put at B. Shout. I'm scared of Shout, but actually pretty cool. Maybe B. Gunk. I don't see you speaking a lot, but an A. Yeah, cool. I don't know what I'm keep saying now, okay? You know that. Snake. I don't really see him as Anflo. I don't know, maybe I get my opinion. Maybe C. The only snake I see at Anflo is a snake from the bad guy. Squirrel. Also annoying. One of my favorites. Well, maybe I'll put an S, not an A. Tiger. I put out an A. Wolf and animal. Maybe an A. Yeah. African wild dog. We got them cool too. They're big like hyena. They're big me working out. It's slightly different. I put with it in the A. Bad gun. I put in it at B. Bull. Maybe a B. I don't know I don't know how to pronounce that, but big cat would mean A. Elephant. I don't see a lot either. Personally, maybe a C, but elephants are cool. I don't see them a lot. Well, I don't really have that much of an opinion. Meowcat. I didn't mean to put that there. Probably a B. Rhino. I don't see that a lot too. I put it with elephant, cause they're like pretty similar to each other. Swan bun. Also with at B with some of the orangutan. It must be a type of dog. Not sure how to pronounce that either, but look cute, so I put it an A. Donkey. I haven't seen this one before, but I put it at B. Giraffe. Don't see it what either, but definitely your giraffe made me like them a bit, so I put it at B. Wyvern. It's bigger than a dragon. C. As you can tell, I don't like dragons, because I don't like dragons knock on their face. Fennec. I put an A. You're like your QAnon version of your frog. Rat.
Wretch, we're wretch, we're the wretch.
I put with mice. An A. Zebra. I don't see a lot either. Maybe a B. Alright. Here's my tier list. Hopefully you guys don't hate it. Wait, if you do, go ahead and say it. I don't care. But I hope you enjoyed it. Don't take it offensively if when character or persona is low. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Goodbye.